Hi everyone. In this video lecture, we're going to talk about hard artificial intelligence and soft artificial intelligence. And I decided to pick this topic because it was obviously requested by someone. Let's talk about it. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And let's start. So hard artificial intelligence is also called strong artificial intelligence, or sometimes it is called AGI, that is artificial general intelligence, and it is connected with full depth of human understanding. There is another term called AI hard or AI complete. AI complete problems are those problems that can be actually solved when we have computers as intelligent as human beings. In other words, when we have strong AI or hard AI, these problems require computer technology as well as human computation ability, and such technology has not been developed yet. Strong AI would have reasoning capability. If we are considering hard AI or strong AI, so these machines would have reasoning capability, ability to solve puzzles and make better decisions by making good judgments, planning ability, learning ability, and then effective communication skills. And machines with strong artificial intelligence would be able to perform unfamiliar tasks. They will be able to find solutions to problems without any human intervention. So basically they will have human intelligence and cognitive abilities. They will be able to apply intelligence to solve problems on a large scale, because that's what humans do. Humans have their intuition to rely on in many unfamiliar situations. That is why such a technology is also called super intelligence, and such machines would be able to apply intelligence in any situation. For example, when you talk to someone, let's say you greet them with good morning, they're not always going to reply back with good morning. They might say what's up, or hey, how are you doing, something like that. Strong artificial intelligence machines do that. Strong artificial intelligence does that. Maybe you wake up early in the morning and say good morning, and a strong AI machine will turn on the tea maker using its cognizance, using its understanding to imply that you might like tea in the morning, right? But then machines don't have cognizance, and in such machines you will not really know what they are going to do. So there might also be a need to introduce some roboethics, which is ethics a machine can use while performing any task. But then also strong AI is not dependent on human beings and their rules and regulations, but they still have to follow ethics. I think they should. Well, in short, strong AI doesn't really exist, and I really hope you understood what strong artificial intelligence really is. If you still have any doubts, you're always welcome to post them in the comments below, or if you have any topic that you want me to cover, post them in the comments below too. Let's talk about soft artificial intelligence now. So soft artificial intelligence is also called weak AI or weak artificial intelligence, and it is specifically meant for one problem. So it is also called narrow AI, right? Because it is kind of like it is narrowed down to this one problem. So weak artificial intelligence or narrow artificial intelligence or soft artificial intelligence, and such machines are programmed for specific tasks, and they kind of simulate human intelligence, but they don't really have the exact human intelligence. And these machines are focused on narrow tasks, or maybe a few tasks. Some examples would be Alexa and Siri, or Cortana. These are examples of weak artificial intelligence machines because they have a limited range of functions to operate. There is no genuine intelligence. It is definitely helpful when it comes to automating tasks or analyzing data, and there are some predefined rules that these machines follow. They will not respond to everything that you say or ask them to do unless they are programmed for that. So these are examples of narrow artificial intelligence machines